I've already had this out of the box, but here it is. My new webcam. Webcam, racing cams. This is what it looks like. That's it right there. I'm going to do a little polishing on this myself. I'm going to polish these up shiny, and I'm going to leave these the way they are and let them wear in the way they're going to wear. But I'm going to polish these up. And then it's going to go in. And there's my camshaft. This is a stage 1 cam, and I put a stage 1 because I really don't want a super duper fast motorcycle. And this is made in the USA, see that right there? And I don't want a super fast motorcycle, but I want a fast motorcycle. I want my 750 to be the best. And with the 836 kit, the stock cam was under cammed, and with the porting and everything that I did on this, it needed a larger cam, and this is 20 thousandths of an inch taller than stock, and I can't remember how many degrees longer and a little bit of longer overlap right here between the intake and exhaust valves. So that's it, a new cam. So I'm going to polish it up and put it in.